In this video, I'm going to show you how to create file folders and manage projects with them. So I'm going to select projects. I'm going to create a project. I'm going to call this project example 1. You can enter a description. You don't have to. It's optional. I'm going to select one of the 4 templates. Then I'm going to create a project name. So let's say I've got all these examples 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to put it inside of my file folder that's going to be called example. Click save. So if I scroll to the bottom, hit this arrow down, you'll see the project example 1 is in the example file folder. And you can see it's blue because this project is the active project. Now, I'm going to create a second project. Let's say that I've taken 50 pictures. Now I'm going to another one. I'm going to call this example 2. Select the template. I'm going to click save. This time I'm not creating a file folder. Example 2, this project is outside of all of these folders. If I want to move it into this folder, I'll just select these 3 dots. I'm going to click move to. Select example. I could select any of them that I want to move it into, but I selected example and it moved it into here. So you can see I've got 2 projects within this example file folder, and I can make this one active. If I come up here and I make this active, you can see it makes that file folder blue. All right, I'm going to come back down here. I'm going to delete both of these projects that are within the example just by selecting. I can rename it by hitting edit, but I'm going to hit delete. So if you do not have any projects inside your file folder, it's going to show as empty like this. If you have projects but they're not active, it's going to show black. If it's active, it's going to show blue. So this ends the tutorial on creating file folders.